Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Bryan with Abound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about duplicating a page. This is a trick that I have found super helpful on some of the websites that I maintain. I have a specific situation where with one of the websites that I maintain, they are releasing different products, books, and then things to go along with the book, shirts, plushies, things like that. But anyway, when the new book comes out, they get a page on the website and they're all going to show very much the same information. And so it saves a ton of time to just duplicate a page off of one of the other books. So I'm sure you could apply this same logic to a situation that you have with your website. And so let me get into it over on that website and I'll show you exactly how I do this. All right, so we're once again on my wife's publishing company website, Abound Publishing. And I go into the pages here and you'll see here for each of the books. So we have the home page, but then we have about page about the company, and then we have a books drop down menu. And so each of these books has its own page. And so every time she releases a book, we give it a page on the store, or I'm sorry, on the website, and they all have the same structure. So, for example, let's go into this one for Daisy Donkey. They're all going to have the book mock-up at the top with a short little blurb about the book, a buy button, the title of the book there, and then they're going to have testimonials, so what people have said about the book, and then a image block for the author, and then an image block for the illustrator. Some information about the author, some information about the illustrator, other things that they've written, other things that they illustrators illustrated, and then you're going to have summary blocks for the products in the store related to this book. So the book, the Daisy Donkey plush, and then some images from the book so people get an idea of what they're seeing in the book before they order it. So every book is going to get those same sections, the same info told on its page about it whenever we release the book. So, for example, this most recent book that we released, My Daughter's Daughter, we go to the page for that, and you can see it's going to have similar info. Now this one's new, so it doesn't have the testimonials yet. Like this one's just in the last couple weeks, but it has the info about the book. Get the buy button to take them over to the store, be able to buy the book. The author, the illustrator, info about each, the product block, summary block from the store, and then images from the book. There is no plushie for this book, so there's no other products that are associated with the book, so it just has the book there. But if we were to publish, or when we publish another book, it will be real simple to just basically copy this page setup and then plug in so I'll just show you. It's as simple as this right here. You hover over the book, you hit the gear icon to go into the settings, the back end settings of that page, and then you'll scroll down to the bottom of the general page settings and click duplicate page. Are you sure? Confirm. And you'll see it populates up here in the not link section, and it's titled the same but with copy. And so then you would just rename that, and we'll just say new book release. Okay, and then you see the page. Now you'd want to go into the back end of the page there and change the page title, the navigation title, the URL slug to where it was, like the URL slug was book release, and it matched up with the title. And then now you can just go into edit and you put in the title of the new book. And then you change out the picture for, you replace it with the picture of whatever that new book is, replace it with the information, replace the buy button, the link on it it's just to the store, but it's linked up to that particular product. So you want to change that. If I had a different author and a different illustrator, we put pictures of them in there, information about them there. I don't have to, reinvent the wheel. I already have the setup established, so I can just go in and plug in the new information, the new images, the new files, and it's all set up for me. I just had to duplicate it and then input the new information. So big time saver for me. I'm sure you could apply it to a situation that you have. So if you found that useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.